Okay, so today we are learning about intersecting lines or perpendicular lines. And we've learned a lot about parallel lines and how they will never meet and will always stay the same distance apart. So remember, when we do parallel lines, they're, excuse my drawing, like this. They will always be the same distance apart, and they will never intersect or meet. However, we're going to look at perpendicular lines and intersecting lines today. So in the first box on the top left here, you can see we have two lines kind of going up and down, making a big cross in the middle. Those are perpendicular lines. We know that lines are perpendicular when the line segments have at least one right angle. Remember, when we have the right angle, we know it's a right angle when we can put like a piece of paper in the corner and we know it's a right angle. We can also draw the small square in the corners. It shows that it's a right angle. We've got 4 on that one. And if we look at the one on the right, it just makes a T, but we still have 2 right angles in there, so that's a perpendicular line as well. Down here at the bottom, we've got a big X, but even though that it's turned sideways, we still have right angles, so this is a perpendicular line as well. Now remember, we talked about the angles that are 90 degrees make the big L. So even that this only has one right angle, it's still a perpendicular line. They are intersecting at the right angle point.